Hello everyone. Today we are going to see Chapter 1 of Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985. Before going to Chapter 1, we will see the definition of Narcotic and Psychotropic Act 1985. It is an act to consolidate and amend the law relating to narcotic drugs to make stringent provisions for the control and regulation of operations relating to narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances to provide for the forfeiture of property derived from or used in illicit trafficking in narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. Now we will see Chapter 1 of this Act. Chapter 1 deals with preliminary information, that means short titles, extent and commencement. This Act may be called as Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Acts 1985 and extend to all of India. While coming to the definitions, we can see addict, bored, etc. Addict means a person who has dependence on any narcotic drugs or psychotropic substance. Board means the Central Board of Excise and Customs constituted under the Central Board of Revenue Act 1963, that is Section 54 of 1963. Next is cannabis, otherwise known as hemp. It means charas, that is separated resin in whatever form, whether crude or purified, obtained from cannabis plant, and also include concentrated preparation and the resin known as hashish oil or liquid hashish. And ganja, that is the flowering or fruiting tops of the cannabis plant, excluding the seeds and leaves when not accompanied by the tops. Next is cannabis plant. Cannabis plant means any plant of the genus Cannabis. Next thing is coca derivative. It means crude cocaine, that is any extract of coca leaf. Ecnoin, that is all derivatives of ecnoin. Cocaine, that is methyl ester of benzyl ecnoin and its salts. And all preparation contain more than 0.1% of cocaine. So all cocaine derivatives include in cocaine derivative. Crude cocaine, ecnoin, cocaine and all preparation contain more than 0.1% of cocaine. And cannabis plant means any plant of the genus Cannabis. Next is controlled delivery. Controlled delivery means the techniques of allowing illicit or suspect consignment of narcotic drugs, psychotropic substance to pass out of or through or into the territory of India. Corresponding law means any law corresponding to the provision of this Act 1985. Controlled substances means any substance which the central government may have in regard to the available information. Next is illicit trafficking. Means cultivating any coca plant or gathering any portion of the coca plant, or cultivating the opium poppy or any cannabis plant, or engaging in production, manufacture, possession, sale, purchase, transportation, warehousing, concealment, use or consumption, import in the state, export in the state, import into India, export from India, or transshipment of narcotic drugs or psychotropic substance, and dealing and handling any activities in narcotic drugs or psychotropic substance. So simply we can say it means dealing and handling any activities in narcotic drugs or psychotropic substances is known as illicit traffic. Next is International Convention. Means a single convention on narcotic drugs 1961 adopted by the United Nations Conference in New York in March 1961. Next is conveyance. Conveyance means a conveyance of any description whatsoever and includes any aircraft, vehicle or vessel. Narcotic drug means coca leaf, cannabis or hemp, opium, poppy straw and includes all manufactured goods. These things include under narcotic drugs. Then manufactured drug. Manufactured drug means all coca derivatives, any other narcotic substance or preparation which the central government may have in regard to the available information as to its nature or to a decision. Then opium. Opium means the coagulated juice of opium poppy and any mixture with or without any neutral material of the coagulated juice of the opium poppy, but does not include any preparation containing not more than 0.2% of morphine. That is opium. Next is medicinal cannabis, that is medicinal hemp. Means any extract of tincture of cannabis, that means hemp. Next is narcotic commissioner means. Narcotic commissioner means the narcotic commissioner appointed under section 5. Then medicinal opium. Medicinal opium means which has undergone the process necessary to adapt it for medicinal use in accordance with the requirements of the Indian Pharmacopoeia or any other pharmacopoeia notified in its behalf by the central government. So opium which has undergone the process necessary to adapt it for medicinal use, that is medicinal opium. Next is prepared opium. That is any product of opium by any series of operations designed to transform opium into an extract suitable for smoking. That is prepared opium. Then phenandrine alkaloids. That means namely morphine, codeine, thebaine and their salts are known as phenandrine alkaloids. Then what is opium poppy? Opium poppy means the plant of the species Papaver somniferous and the plant of any other species of Papaver from which opium or any phenandrine alkaloids can be extracted. So the plant which helps to extract these opium substances means that is opium poppy. Next is poppy straw concentrate. Means the material arising when poppy straw has entered into a process for concentration of its alkaloids. Then diacetyl morphine. That means the alkaloid also known as dimorphine or heroin and its salts are preparation containing more than 0.2% of morphine or containing any diacetyl morphine. Next, what's the meaning of prescribed? Prescribed means prescribed by rules made under this act. Next is production. Production means the separation of opium, poppy straw, coca leaves or cannabis from the plants from which they are obtained. Next is psychotropic substances. Means any substances natural or synthetic or any natural material or any salt or preparation of such substance or material included in the list of psychotropic substances specified in the schedule. That is psychotropic substances. Then what is the meaning of small quantity? In relation to narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances means any quantity lesser than the quantity specified by the central government by notification in the official gazette is known as small quantity. Next is to import interstate. That means to bring into state or union territory in India from another state or from another union territory in India. That is to import interstate. Then to import into state. That means with its grammatical variation and cognate expressions mean to bring into India from a place outside India. That is to import into India. Then to export interstate means to take out of a state or union territory in India to another state or union territory in India. To transport interstate means to take from place to one place to another within the same state or union territory. So this is the meaning of import, interstate, interstate and transport. To import interstate means bring into state or union territory in India from another state or union territory in India. To import into India means from India to outside India. To export interstate means to take out of a state or union territory in India to another state in India. To transport means to take from one place to another place within the same state or union territory. Next is reference. So this reference I have used for this chapter 1 notes, and this is about chapter 1 of Indian Narcotic Act and Psychotropic Drug Act 1985. Hope you understand, and in the next video we will see chapter 2 of Indian Narcotic and Psychotropic Act 1985. Hope you understand. Thank you.